Hi, I'm Shelley Cordisco, Executive Director of Action for Older Persons. I invite you to join me for a moment to take a look at the programs and services that AOP has to offer, both you and your loved ones. Action for Older Persons is committed to ensuring your future. Whether you have questions about Medicare, prescription drug coverage, or even long-term care insurance, we have your answers.
HICAP is the program that people come to when they need assistance with Medicare and understanding it.
It's very complicated. The system's got much more complicated in the last 4 or 5 years as we've gone to some other types of Medicare Advantage plans that were not available to people 8-10 years ago.
I do seminars on Medigaps, on Medicare 101, on Medicare Advantage plans, all the big factors that affect Medicare. We also have, of course, the one-on-one counseling, which I tell people we do counseling Monday through Friday, and they need to call and make an appointment. So when they come in here, they're getting a 1-hour session that's confidential, unbiased information.
We can see the person's bigger picture when you're talking to them individually and you have a face-to-face conversation than you would on the phone. And things they say will trigger, it'd be good for me to talk to them about that. Or perhaps it would be helpful if they knew about this.
One of the advantages of coming to AOP for a long-term care insurance discussion is that we are totally unbiased. We sell nothing. All we're doing is giving you information. Sometimes the terminology is a little difficult for people to understand exactly how it functions. So we can discuss all of that. We can answer your questions. And what we basically want to do is get enough people informed so that they at least look into this, either for themselves, as I said before, or for their parents.
I have never seen a nonprofit that is able to touch people on a one-to-one and on a personal level and to help people as much as this does.
And the people are just so interesting, so friendly, so grateful. It's just a really upbeat place to be.
For many years now, Action for Older Persons has been working diligently to protect your future. From advocating for residents in long-term care facilities to helping you plan for medical emergencies before they happen, we're here to help ensure the health and safety of you and your loved ones.
AOP's Ombudsman program places volunteer advocates in long-term care facilities to resolve issues for residents and their families.
An ombudsman is coming in from outside. They're not there seeing the resident every day, so consequently they can pick up on things that the staff may not.
We have some great long-term care facilities in our area, but for those times when someone has a concern, we're here to be an unbiased mediator and to help ensure that all residents are happy with their care.
Well, I think it's the ombudsman's role to make them realize sometimes you can just sit and talk to someone, and we have the time to talk to them for an hour and a half or 2 hours or whatever, and sit and talk to them.
We work closely with nursing home staff, and in some cases, the staff will request an ombudsman volunteer to help mediate a conversation with residents. As an impartial source, we're able to maintain a great relationship with both sides.
And that smile that you get from the person and the gratitude, there's nothing better than that. You feel like you're on top of the world.
Technology is evolving at a rate faster than ever before. Here at AOP, we understand the importance of informing your future with web-based services and computer education so that you'll always have the answers at your fingertips.
I enjoy teaching. I really do enjoy teaching people. I love passing on the knowledge that I've learned with computers onto people. I like to make sure that people, when they come in here, that they learn and that they come out of this class satisfied. I want them to be able to find what they're looking for. People come here, well, I don't know what to do. I have a computer. I don't know what to do on it. There's so many things you can do on it. It's amazing how many things that you can actually accomplish using a computer. There's more of a personal feeling going on here, more than just coming in, teaching a class, and leaving. It's here, we come in here. If people can't figure it out, I'm going to help them learn no matter what. And if it takes a tutoring session to do it, if it takes, a couple minutes extra after class or a couple questions, I'm fine with that. But I've seen some people go from intro class right to the internet class, right to intermediate Windows, and then off into digital photography if they want to. And they come in here and we do tutoring sessions, and I feel like I don't even have to teach them anymore. They are that good. They've gotten much better.
In this fast-paced, ever-changing world, growing older isn't always easy. The next time you're faced with a challenge, remember, you always have a friend here at AOP.
And right now I am going to write an email so that I don't have to go to this meeting, because I think Hall & Oates takes priority over meetings. And when I feel you can't go on. Will, what? There's a senior in trouble? You know what this means. Let's do this.